Sanibonani.
Yabona sengifaka abantu bebhola. Katsandi. Ngifaka Katsandi man.
Unjani isitshela?
Batikasi poetry sikompilo. Akuyona into yokudlala. Indlela esiphila ngayo, esikhala ngayo, esipholisa ngisho ngayo amanxeba. Ubunzima bekasi, uthando, ukusinda, konke kukulezi zinkondlo. Uma ufuna ukuqonda ikasi, lalela amakasi poets. Sina lento siyayibhala, siyimbangi ngemilomo. Abantu siyabakhuthaza, mawuzoloku uthola ukukhuthazwa uyaqaqeka. Kasi poetry isikompilo, asibhali ngoba sithanda, sibhala ngoba lezi indaba zethu, indaba zasekasi. Lalela uzothola ukukhuthala naphakathi kwemigqa. Kasi poetry isikompilo, athi Grootman Matikisi wangishilifa ukuthi ikasi nezwi namhlanje inamezela ngithi kasi poetry isikompilo. Ngaphandle kwa indaba zethu ekasi ziyabhoda, ziyaorla, ziyafra. Ingakho mawuvula indlebe uzozwa siyakhuluma, siyakhuthaza, siphila, siyabhala. Kasi inkondlo, kasi poetry isikompilo. West Andero the poet. Shout out to Saudi Effects, Boy Beats, Danko West Anamba Pit Natal Andero the poet. Yeah, bafethu kasi poet bafethu tiqedelela snipes.
Gangsta, Crucitat, amapena makani, imwakizio, ikweshisiwo bilo, izo, igo, ulingasensathethela amaqiniso. Gangsta, Crucitat, amapena makani, imwakizio, ikweshisiwo bilo, izo, igo, ulingasensathethela amaqiniso. Inkinza phezu kwenkondlo, ayinkondlo ephethe ama-pistin namagrinder, amagama ashama high, ama-alphabet angena ngendlela, aphishe ama-poem kula makhahlamba. Ngihlanya nembongi, asithi mzala, ingqondo yatanga, yajaba umthangala kudala yathasha. Ngikho-rapta, ngikho-grand, for umphakathi, iyuza ephephanga, makhala yami ipoetry, ingofana indlebe zabantwana, ubisa ngabakhondema, ubona amathodla, ukudlula amaphanga, bakhwaza bofuthek, ngayi, bathisa amacangana. Inkondlo noma into, gangsta Gangsta, Crucitat, amapena makani, imwakizio, ikweshisiwo bilo, izo, igo, ulingasensathethela amaqiniso. Gangsta, Crucitat, amapena makani, imwakizio, ikweshisiwo bilo, izo, igo, ulingasensathethela amaqiniso. Ipoetry phethe lehlanya, poetic dark, uphusha yakhutyese kwentashekasi, uphindela bosikonyana, izazi, nebufakazi, uphindela usathane, ufatela blind, ulimele gazi, usikhotheni ngiyatroha, ngihlanya ikepani leyinjara, injari nekepani, ubane bedenka, ukuthi ngelinye ilanga, inkondlo, sangashaka so, ukuthi inkondlo, sangafatela nabo bikinini, nabo sitela bamabhikini, nawe lapho kini, ukuthi sangavulela i-full plus, nenyakazi sepoetry mpinji, aware, leikasi inkondlo, yadiktivo kwenyawo namazababa, yikho-grand for ingqondo ethambile, no future, indaba iglasini endulo, uthole emasimethi, usibhace ezulwini, bakhalisela ama-gospel, uwane, usifunela inkondlo kamadikisi, ngayini, ingangathekele, bakhombe kayena, bathi zethola khona ikhala khona, bakhethise, izulu noma isikrokho, uthi isikrokho, ngasinkondlo. Gangsta, Crucitat, amapena makani, imwakizio, ikweshisiwo bilo, izo, igo, ulingasensathethela amaqiniso. Gangsta, Crucitat, amapena makani, imwakizio, ikweshisiwo bilo, izo, igo, ulingasensathethela amaqiniso. West, Mighty Keys, kasi inkondlo, kasi poetry, izinkondlo zaseGoli, imshibhe eshozi, yafakazela wonke umuntu. Kwamele staff kamajikisi bafethu inkonzo sifake istayilini maya yabo asini bafethu maya uthola ufakazele orange farm ufakazele emshakini bafethu ufakazele Sotendo Fire ngithola ufakazele Bhene kanti emlazi kaQ bafethu asemathatini Bhene kanti Western Cape eTranskei yabo ya sonke wonke enhleka bafethu hayi asifakazeleni bafethu iphutha ngenele iphutha bafethu leka sinkolo phethu majikisi ingumgogo West
Seven words me.
Baleka! Banzai mxolele bayeza bokhata.
Engithi fuck labo khata mina ngigcwala inqabolwatha ngoloza ngizophaphatha ngileke ngigcwele amafutha ngidome lapha station kugcwele crime stadini ngifilini sephayizini nabi lapha ne-useless ngiyabula nge-payday ngithatha ipipe estadini tech noke emhlathweni ngibopheni ngizophunyuka angithi nganye inombolo ezami isungethiwe ngikuthi siwa ngithola into zokubulalela nasemayikhini baphendula physical bangilahlele emaselini zokeskipa ngesilingi ngishetha namabheri engoma idinga imastering kuzoba easy ukungitrack ekuseni khwanazi kuwe am the general zokushaya ngempama ubheke eceleni ibheke ecele siza umcele ngingcolele ngeke iphele njengecala lika senzo naringa kodwa nekungezenze ngithi fuck notebo khata lyrically I'm the PC I transform into the competence pop ngidonsa igani pull the trigger ngifisa ubuchopho vele phansi bhala umsobho ngisebhodweni ushaye ezami sengivuthiwe I'm the boss ngeke ngibone ngitransparent ufuna mina sewe rent ushiye kuphi search warrant strong yami i-present thatha nayi i-present fuck the cops i-PC boss I use i-voice i-people namathethe keza ngozi kutwani mnandi sweet okay beka ngibuye round 2 mashisi bathu bathula babhizi bathi amaphutha skill sam savuza scary face ngilo msuthu ngicela usizo ngiyakuthusa manje lana ngizobuza zoba isipilo uziboneka imusha ogesi ubhema insango zokulemaza iplug modlala umshini ngishaya iplug ngidubula lyrically ngishaya i-16 and blow your mind just never mind I'm the card you never find ngencwindi I'm the radio ngiyasakaza
ithi ngikhiphe embhalweni ngifake egwaqeni ngifundise ngempilo yasemgwaqweni basele babelesele bakhala njengamaselesele sebahlwele bathukuthele umukhuthele mabahamba batshenge sebahlwela bofada by nature njengoba sebanenjebe singichazele wonke amaphutha sengichazele uqhirhiqarha iphinde ihlabe njengesibelede abanye bathi late kanti eminent abanye masayidini bathi late kanti excellent makufika mina abanye absent ngathi mangicila si-rap bahlala still kinibo system nakinibo angiyet sure under the top level masengicila si-rap bakhala ngabangayisilo ngathi ngabajela manifest masengiqala nyathela bayakhala leni manifest of a kid to be a king yeah bathi baphakamisa inombolo babeka imgomo nembandela fuck ngalista thina siyabangena amavale ebusi yawasingela sure ubheka icela ufaka amacala ucabanga ukuthi somncenga cabanga ukuthi somncenga sithi kokoko but another kanta coming lapho thina besikhasile kasilamfethu sithi another kanta coming abakasihlodo bayafana nabantwana besikolo bacarry khaftini papa umhulu iskop makuvela inkinga bazibamba isiphongo or else bavela after all abakasihlodo bayafana nabantwana besikolo sehluka ikhaftini papa umholu iskop makuvela inkinga bayibamba nesiphongo
sure ADF examine the kasrap chacha Jacket Pagame Ghetto criminals We original in this Punima Ghetto criminals We original in this Punima Ghetto criminals, criminals, criminals. We original and this one man. Ghetto criminals, criminals, criminals. We original and this one man.
Let me introduce myself. Mina nguNtsangweni osithandela inyuku nabo thekeni. Never mind igama noma ungangibiza ngosikhotheni. Mawungifuna uzongithola ekasemakhoneni. Phethe izinja zami sicike emabondeni. Sivula amatafula ubeka ukudla etafuleni. Imisebenzi ayitholakala ukuzenzele. Ndisikhathi siyahamba bade buka mawulele. Sikovi guide simane sikhusha umphando. Nathi sopopa nathi sidlala ikhando. Ngifuna imali igcwala amabhokodo. Ngizobhekela umabhodo ngibhadale nekolodo. Ngithatha ipelasi ngithinta umfazi ngithinta imbokodo.
Ghetto criminals, criminals, criminals. We original and this one man. Ghetto criminals, criminals, criminals. We original and this one man. Ghetto criminals, criminals, criminals. We original and this one man. Ghetto criminals, criminals, criminals. We original and this one man.
Again, cho sakhala kabili kathathu mina nawe angeke sihlukane I will always love you banonihlala iloyal and I wanna put it up to Tandy 45 funa ne 765 is cruising in 325 these niggas got a problem on me 765 gotta sort them for me AK-47s and AR-15s at the big keys to the big deals 21 guns salute maslatekelwe yisoja spina de kusheshe baba nali welcome to farm Petha makasheshe java till we hangover ungangitsheli ngemanager mina ngazi tapona da mapepeza come over magangster yaphanda bosuzobabona ghetto criminals last phila ngokumosha ghetto criminals gijimisa imali senzi noma yini kefuthanda kanjani Panda noma nini swethu ngeleke njani namhlanje solala siholile mngani noma kanjani sama ghetto criminal senze organized crime for my white collar crime clean slate for my every time ghetto mafia
Ghetto criminals, criminals, criminals. We original and this one man. Ghetto criminals, criminals, criminals. We original and this one man. Ghetto criminals, criminals, criminals. We original and this one man. Ghetto criminals, criminals, criminals. We original and this one man.
Ankulka. Dog, man, this is me, you'll never change for nobody, man. Him dog. Cha, cha, Martin, cha, uskara diplo. Intona ya seka sing pagi Hitler. Cha, uskara diplo. Betu baruda seba kingoma. Cha, yo, uskara diplo. Intona ya seka sing pagi Hitler, nama. Uskara diplo, ndona ya seka singipa uve. Cha, etleva ya uskara diplo. Betu baruda seba kingoma. Cha, uskara diplo, ndona ya seka sipagi Hitler. Etleva uskara diplo. Betu baruda spagi Hitler. Cha, uskara diplo, etleva ya seka sipagi Hitler. Body talking to my mind, feeling so cozy. Meanwhile, me do that running so faster. Ain't done I am unfortunately the one of the kind. When you hear my way, know that I'm healing the ones who can trust. I won't go many marks again. I mean, those on your face. Manga vaccine and you Buddha this China. Yes, I'm going meaning something getting a man like she. Figure up on your bending at Rinanga. Cause you don't know that transactions happen at night. Man, pleasing of Aina. Ang salog dali to palengin no parula. Ang ganun ko siya kameran no baby, just for shy fisher. I will my interview, shy to prove that I'm real to the culture. Yo, pow, you go sing a span. I will go about Kuduma the English, April care. Something that is rotten. And we learn about this here, but I did my channel, must be this in a sense. Lumsanti, Mechi, Ingo Mazami, she's a good, I don't need no one's a hell, even side 10. Nguli imlo eparula ay san imlo bafethu kanti mthini teacher lona man kanta ningibona niggas been sleeping on me instead of nigga what? Isan himlo, himlo. Parula himlo, batshele ka or supposed they want. Okay, I know ngile nigga that no needs for the sake of my valuable capabilities that I use to express as jiteni. Makada tiwa yo pada. A nigga da manaminya ifuna the dough. Ngalo konda wam 9 to 5 ikaka. I can't be helping out the other nigga to make money and be calling myself a hustler. Bega manje kanti kumele kufe bani. Do no empty zeti bache kuti hey let's go 50-50. Ngoba siyahluleka ukuba 100% to our say. Squeezing abo westler. Hey dips kedemwe yasefuze tumeso wetho kulesname manje su knocksman no party stop best to my pagas. We matchbox. Hey. Ipchalimlo Choparula yang fila to kauno Esan ang himlo Skata tip himlo Ipchaliga himlo Nigga betu parula to Esh isa Hey himlo Himlo This is who I am nigga.
Santolena mfithu adala senza noma sisayeke yasibokela hip hop hip hop hip hop hip hop sangishika serata ikaserata iusiko mpilo hip hop hip hop hip hop hip hop ngishika serata ikaserata iusiko begala mpilo ngiphila phakathi kwami DNA ifunakala ne-rhythm in my pulse guitar rough esifubeni sami umejaras I'm a diamond in a rough dala ngithuna isibani kwa-hip-hop aqashwa mzukwane hip-hop give me oxygen without it I'm suffocating serve ama-bars like a prison guard at a pelicate cover cup repathini skills sami ngesifuka esiphashini ngutef in the kitchen amabhodo ngikhupha ama-hit I treat the boot like a confessional I'm passion noma since life igame ka dlala right to collect ama-win lethempele hip-hop ngisagelisa ngama-verse while you playing checkers I'm out your maneuver in the best building up my future ngifunda kwenye past the heavy let impilo yami usiko running through my veins ngiconductor yalo mlilo nginama-passenger kule train I've got a drive of a test angimuva ngeyami hip hop hip hop hip hop hip hop sengishika serata ikaserata iusiko mpilo hip hop hip hop hip hop hip hop ngishika serata ikaserata iusiko mpilo I'm on a funny combo munyo repagaye the drought breaker nisifule nama-ice my mind is skyscraper I'm looking down on doubt telling once upon a time into the greatness and I'm sure Representing tokotele ngilishaya such a repeat living every man rapper 6 feet under the street ngi-architect tell a vibe but design the way I feel if hip-hop is a dream then I'm never waking up for real I'm like a working library every sky is a different page rappers are kidding in a page mangrappa ngibodle webuwezi this ain't a hobby gawe heartbeat of a touch so keeping my head above the water that's the ultimate goal ngiclass elingaphuki ngikatshwe ngamatsha never crack ngizwakela ngishaye comeback there's no way of turning back from the cradle to the grave I'ma represent my name hip hop is my life lento ngodila thile thule hip hop hip hop hip hop hip hop sengishika serata ikaserata iusiko mpilo hip hop hip hop hip hop hip hop ngishika serata ikaserata iusiko mpilo
I mustn't get this funny. Yeah, ne. Nah, then. Nothing. It's just Kanye West. My second to kill right. Pablo Tonaya. Yeah, sure. So I get. Yes. This one. Sure.
Awuwazi nganyelonto kazi lami mina ngiyayithanda le hip hop phela mina ngiyasifila ngale kasi rap phela mina ngiyasifila ngale kasi rap awuwazi nganyelonto kazi lami mina ngiyayithanda le hip hop phela mina ngiyasifila ngale kasi rap phela mina ngiyasifila ngale kasi rap
siraphe ngithi le nto ngiyayifela suka lana sanobona siraphe isikhathi kuphela ukutwana yami mawisuzu zoyimela ngigqoka amadelelo ungangiphapheli ngiyadelela okay radio wabona manje phethe ubani guy Pablo Escobar Mr 400 and bus mangicala ngithi ngiyaringa bathi ngine-enga ejavela gaza batakudela niyapenga mina ngi-obsessed ngale rap entwayenzini le rap yangiphilisa yangikhulisa yazini nasisuka kulaleki nhlezi bhala poison namajimbo sibathi ngiyahlanya nxa fuck yes lani and the best ambubuza estradini uzongibona ngigqoka ivest ngiveze nama-chest ngiblome nama-jens siphakamisa uwest maziza ukhathele kule game intwana rest
Awazi ngiyayincanyela ntokazi lami ya mina ngiyayithanda le hip hop phela mina ngiyasifila ngale kasi rap phela mina ngiyasifila ngale kasi rap awazi ngiyayincanyela ntokazi lami ya mina ngiyayithanda le hip hop phela mina ngiyasifila ngale kasi rap phela mina ngiyasifila ngale kasi rap
Ngithathela rap and I don't do it for the clout. I'm sick and tired of sleeping on my mama's couch. Ke tsoga ke phanda strata se ke rau ka se khone go ikhutsa until ke thola 10,000 ke shape investment limpitse cash cow last week I had any ke busy ka rap magriza a re ke decreasitse ko metse se phake maka ntse ke khanda chelete I pray gore a ke end up ko spetlele ke khuba mafatse ntse ke laitile ke rese gore modimo a nkutle ke pope ka rap ke khagole dintwana nyana tsena tse weke I'm stuck in a mud ke khamathetse seretse bophelo bothata ne bo batla chelete o mmotse ma second ke tsanga liriki I crash your motherfucking facing ka re biscuit wankiti
awazi ngiyayincanyela ntokazi lami ya mina ngiyayithanda le hip hop phela mina ngiyasifila ngale kasi rap phela mina ngiyasifila ngale kasi rap awazi ngiyayincanyela ntokazi lami ya mina ngiyayithanda le hip hop phela mina ngiyasifila ngale kasi rap phela mina ngiyasifila ngale kasi rap
mangilele nyamaye mangihlezi ukufuna ukudrayima nale beat ngiyalirayida ngiliphulala ngigrinda khululeka madala ngithi le nto sayidala mawulala uyasala phela mina ngiyavaya
Esco wasala le digata tse phaya a katla ke tshogile a chuska batsena ish man I come from the west to the ghetto go betere le ntsinye chain nya ke jengo that's why strata se simpitsa Pablo Esco bas
tona ya baya abubuza relax ufala sesabuya angitsho ngitsho
MP Baba Danko Pro for ushana lescope dawe lazy for ukuthasa bosta prenya kule round hey noma ngazonda ngizorephelisa wethu angengishaya itrap baba I'm so ghetto ngasekase p-regents high states ngisodla ngilithanda noma sengina-hate must bring the number kusuvusa inetho lezineza ketho uyarephelate lana ngirephelami so ningathi ngiyabhathi irap akusilotho angizelami uzochance ngizwe bathi niphelele so ngiselizonihlanza nginizwisa ukuthi ibuhlungu indaba sheshe nanyathi amapleti nabaya manje ngwadla phansi nane beef siyanikhaphuzani nawo amanzi bebufike nebhandi mesoshawa ucathi uproshile ibit ungafila ungalithathi ngoba nami ngirephelami sonya khathi ayi
so repelako mina ngizorepela hey repelako mina ngizorepela hey repelako mina ngizorepela yangithola repelako mina ngizorepela meaning noma hey bala zonda repela iphume soweto sorry I can't let go noma bala zonda repela iphume soweto sorry I can't let go
eshikhohle ukungitshela njenge-3 ngithatha ngiyasika yikithayima lama qeda umbona langiphike esikhathini esimama biza Jerry ngoba nginkinga phakathi basebenzi bayetwayi nami ngidrink mazombuza umbuzo ngiyazibala kawuzophika mazombuza ukuthi arapa ngizothini amesini and lapho-ke kawozophenduka isithipha bese mawumsondela nguvuthela amagithi shaya amanye amaphashilani ubona imike seutha nawo nsembuka grey sharp ngiyakujutha ayukwata fast mus nawo ngiyazi ngiyakututha mawungakholwa sibani vayesotoni uyobuza mangre amabithi ayasimani maproducer shoot noma kanjani ma-top 10 azokushutha baphilabo ringa mokuhamba kwavele kwathula ka
so rap lako mina ngizo rap lang hey rap lako mina ngizo rap lang hey rap lako mina ngizo rap lang yang chon rap lako mina ngizo rap lang meaning no ma hey bang zonda rap lang ikume soweto sorry I can't let go no ma zonda rap lang ikume soweto sorry I can't let go
yabona irap yankumuntu including nemumo ngekazunderstand share uyisibuni irap akenithandela bafethi it's a skill spire everywhere kodwa abanye baskill ayekela babo uyakufika uQuintins like I give a fuck naye bafuna uQuintin nakhona irap ngiyithathi as a competition irap ngiyeke noma babangathini seke vurva njengehlanya lasemkoti nazogcona isitela sami engathi just kamakoti this yam 20 something akase crowd the track lam limnandi ngajabulisa ngesport engiyakutshela baba kuze kuyane dlozi leli noma kanjani uyofaka enkane cause tume bikugrilisa nabazongazi ichoice man
sure so rap lako mina ngizo rap lang hey rap lako mina ngizo rap lang hey rap lako mina ngizo rap lang yang chon rap lako mina ngizo rap lang meaning no ma hey bang zonda rap lang ikume soweto sorry I can't let go no ma
sure yeah sure Takaninkathazwe sebasukela ivenekathek ishaye punchline bomrepa kuvuka ama-heart attack bancinci khulaba babhaya kumele bageleze nona maphakade bafana nginenza amabhakede angina-competition emayikhini ngifike nge-action bayenzela imuvi engabhomisa itelevision imlosika bopho wabaleka epolice station phethe iron bars amagama angabuilding mansion bakulashesha ubhakela insimbi siyobavalela ngibashange phaqaphaqala kamoya bayadelela bakhetha ama-feelings bazithole hle bahlabeka bebasukela ukufa manje sekufikile sabela fana nomongezi ngibulala amadoda kuphela uyenze i-abortion ubulala abantwana kuphela mina ngizoyekela ukurepha makuphela amagama kuphela fana neblokhe ufune uphantshela i-1 kuphela amaflow wena agcwele amabhadi ngisume emfuleni ababhaya abanjenge-necklace bangihlele entameni umrepho ongena nami kubhetlile uphuma i-damage mabubuweke kufana nefish bungiveze i-allergy sifuna abaneplug gimi escom ngiyacisha njengangichicken skill laba bachuma ngokushisa etsekhenibalism sekufika ama-human eaters ikubeta nge-caster oil makufuna ukuba namasimu ma-limitless flow thina njalo mazisplitha sibulala amashow namajita amasiyogika bashoda ngethoni labo mrepa bayabhimba basela ngekokobele emashowini bayasidisa beza ngamaphantshi afile njengobaby jake khwela ibith umnikazi aphula icala le-rape basakhipha imix mina ngishaya i-mixtape banama-role model mina ame self-made ngoba ngifana nebhubesi ngizwana ama-enemy geza ngentelezi khiphe lonke ikhemi hamba undercover ngiphume emaphepheni bangikhathela ukuphantha nokurepha ngeflate nase-police station bangipha amakhesi batle ntwana i-crazy nama-bus for days namaphaka sex akhipha amaplate china bayangifuna bathi yimi nja ye-games khafula amabhazi asejele elivalela uzuma sitoko samaline umphakathi uhalela ukulutha imotshuthu ushembe ngamtshela yekela ukugunda sikhafula amaline amaphaka ahalela ukuduma amadala akhuphula ikhesi sikuyakhuphukela uthi unamasimba kodwa ufika uyasuzela DJ ucimele ngoma sekhala isibhakela ngathi ngiphethe free wifi abantu bayangilandela nina nisakhafula amathi mina ngikhafula isikhohlela mawuhamba kwesami isipoko baba kudabuka ikhavela that's why urepa amasimba khule bakhavela that's why uflow amasimba ukhula itano nikhalela mababi
please ubheka icela zosolvile ricalmeda khala namabutho ngenkabe ngagcokileda angiboleka indleba amafena ngekho zongizwela mina ngiphansi ikhanda loda bese umzimba usaluyiwela keep iron bars ambamrap abathathi leaf ukudisa mina umsebenzi ungabhala ugcoka ivif bathuke masaphezulu kodwa bacima ama-lift fike ecwela ikhokho isikhathi sokugeza izitsha badubula iphiko mabahayi baphaphe kabuhlungu baphuma inyembezi mabakhala sibashaye kakhulu ibifi ngidla ngefokenaye fake nespoon hlanye ngisabhema intasi ngifuna ukuhlanya kakhulu cheko jampe emaphikotini abana timing badropa ama-line up orayo ngathi awaseposini banye bawondile kodwa bathi badla ugotini irep kimi ihambe egazini ifana nevaccine
izinto zami zikhona la vele siyawosa khona la vele siyabhebha khona la sigibela ama-cruiser khona la zonke izinto zami zikhona la vele siyawosa khona la vele siyabhebha khona la sigibela ama-cruiser khona la
I am back with game. Look at my nigga tempting and we playing football. Listen, we are gathered and we ready for war. In paradise, my nigga they are letting and they're ready for war. Listen, convinces it and they look at you. Was a lana bear, the corners color nice la. I'll tell them in Funan and the foot to Tandan. Life is one thing that heaven living for. We've been here for so long, it's a long time rap. Nigga won't quit. Hanging sim ya ponjwa. I'm a pepes, I'm a pelelanga sonta. Nangonyi sopa, inazizinja zami. Umkorujwele pocket, nanga nama sausage. Full in KKC, this is called passy. 4 years ago, mama dies ago, was painting reckless. One hater sucker came straight to us and test us. He praised back worship, becoming great name. Intwane nganhlang hard to police in Jalabatakati bafono kumthu. Pushing gas deep down under the ground, nobody can sue me. Yeah. Cause the guys who raised me, he lost to praise me, nobody sees me. Yeah, because the guys who raised me, he lost to praise me, nobody sees me. Yeah, because the guys who raised me, he lost to praise me, nobody sees me. Yeah, because the guys who raised me, he lost to praise me, nobody sees me. Yeah, you gotta believe me. Yeah, I'm back to business. Yeah, you hear as a TC.
Zonke izinto zami zikhona la vele siyawosa khona la vele siyabhebha khona la sigibela ama-cruiser khona la zonke izinto zami zikhona la vele siyawosa khona la vele siyabhebha khona la sigibela ama-cruiser khona la.
Mina mphume kasilame thithi entwana mina mphethe izinja zami 20 entwana yeah faka ikaseme phini amayela afuna ubuyela kushini yeah bagcwala ngenamba one bagcwala ngefloor sure gama lami too short zolenza deep ngefloor mina clever ngihot soka lami lihot always swag clean as nest clean so bright brown and bright I'm so proud there is no doubt in and out yeah I cash out, so let's bounce. Shout it, don't shout. Asambe ntombazana. I cash out, so let's bounce. Shout it, don't shout. Asambe ntombazana.
Zonke izinto zami zikhona la vele siyawosa khona la vele siyabhebha khona la sigibela ama-cruiser khona la zonke izinto zami zikhona la vele siyawosa khona la vele siyabhebha khona la sigibela ama-cruiser khona la.
Sure. Smogolo baba. Sure. Abanomona sobabona ngokuphikisa lesi simokolo sasemjondolo sokuphilisa ngidlala isibuku playlist endiyathembisa taxi ubuye K1 khona ngizomphaphamisa abakangicavi njengebhanzula ngithi babhizi ngamaphilo ubuthongo basasitafula scrappy paper phela lento nyajuna nyathela amaline khalisiwe ngumangistrebula 699 kuyafana sonke sifuna lesaka keep inamba mane ngigcwale lesikanga ngidala unami everyday njalo manje phanda iyaphisa ndengaka ngoba izomhlambalaza. Fuck your system, nikeza game fire. Phethe inhlava ezibhaya for sure zonxaka. Ngamagama nyahwaya ngifuna lesaga. Fuck your system, avele ngipara. Afede lapho, eksemapata. Atanki lapho, ishe mthondo ono 609, angithi kuyafana. Tanki mdali, angalismogolo. Afede lapho, eksemapata. Atanki lapho, ishe mthondo ono 609, angithi kuyafana. Atanki mdali, angalismogolo. Abopanta, abokuluva, zonke ziyahasa. Tanki mdali ngalismogolo, kuzohlangana. Emthandoli 9 to 5, datheshwa da. Khona izinja da, sanokubayitheka. Asiceli azincenge, zithathela phela. Makhono khulumayo, uzophakeka. Shayelana odakwayo, ubana uzosabela. From K1, lento dala ngikhetha. Fede maphanta, nalitep hlanganisa. Skilli siyabiza, naliband producer. Noma nguya ngesbackback, spinning kick ngiyasebenzisa. Vele ngiyadrill, umakheniki ngiyafitha. Angina stress namaniga, mele bacave. Grand ngipathula, 609 yafana, vele ngifuna lesaga. Fuck your system, avele ngiphala. Afede lapho, eksemapata. Atanki lapho, ishe mthondo ono 609, angithi kuyafana. Tanki mdali, angalismogolo. Afede lapho, eksemapata. Atanki lapho, ishe mthondo ono 609, angithi kuyafana. Atanki mdali, angalismogolo. Afede lapho, atanki lapho. 609, tanki mdali. Afede lapho, atanki lapho. 609, atanki mdali.
Alenyora, tanki too good. Madagascar, XP. Oyazi, sakhubuluza ma-out. Semjonjo, ayikhenye ma-out. Dala ngikhubuluza ngithengisa bokwa estradini. Ngishiswa amafutha Monday to Monday. Bengifry spin ngishaya nenyama yenhloko. Mara sometimes benukuphuza imali esitoko. Imbuzi boss lenyora siphi isigodo. Ngithi vandag mina ngifikelwe isibhoko. Mangishayisa bengibabhizi vie ngalespan. Push iphithi kuvela iconcept icima ibani. Inamba iba on, ntwana ngenza ubusathane. Hustling goes on, ngiphanda noma kanjani ngiyaphusha. Leni leve yasestradini, angisiyiphutshwa mina ngiphume esitradweni. Phanda everyday ngifuna izakazaka chinching. Fana nabo DJ, I'm all about spinning, shuffling, hustling, ntwana ngiyabhatanisa. Ngifuna ukuba semali njengobuso bkamadiba. Phusha, bekuzolunga njayami, ngiyavuka, nami ngifuna ukuvusa u-anti wami. Phusha, bekuzolunga njayami, ngiyavuka, nami ngifuna ukuvusa u-anti wami. Phusha, pusha, engithi pusha, wena pusha. Engithi pusha, engithi pusha, wena pusha. Ya basuthu bari awuna khumu ya buroko. Tsuwa pari lophanda ya buroto. Mazulu aring arivukuzenzele. Ya mazulu arivukuzenzele. 50 cent to get rich or die trying. La Africa sifuna impilo engcono, am I lying? Ya mangabe ubhayisa inkawu ntwana nama ice. Ngalahla ithemba shy fit to come nice. Ukuthi uphanda kanjani obviously doesn't matter. Have one thing in mind, ukuhlanganisa icheddar. Nakuyabina bathi kwitha awunamali intwazini. Bazogcina ngokuringa ngiqhubeka ngehustling. Ngiyaphanda ngiphushisa umsokolo. Ngifuna lezaka khona la emjondolo. Nalempilo ngiyencenga ngilala ngidla idombolo. Enhlupheko izophela ntwana ngiphushisa umokolo. Phusha, bekuzolunga njayami, ngiyavuka, nami ngifuna ukuvusa u-anti wami. Phusha, bekuzolunga njayami, ngiyavuka, nami ngifuna ukuvusa u-anti wami. Phusha, engithi pusha, engithi pusha, wena pusha. Engithi pusha, engithi pusha, engithi pusha, wena pusha. I make a move, I make a move, I make a move. Gotta move something, I make a move, I make a move. Body lam nithi yenza something. I know hustle, umama se next door thengisa amagwinya. Isikopho konke namangqina.
siswami uliratu ukwazi ukuqina wenza imali for sure and uyaqina nalabo sisi bama-player bayawina ama-breadwinner uskapha ubhayisistash umdziri uhlala sekhawash umkhulu kasidala uhlala dlala amahashi and uyawina wena wenzani kawo wena wenzani kawo uzoyithola kanjani uhlele ekhoneni ngale namba ntwana ngifake emqondweni pusha ekuzolunga nja yami yavuka nami ngifuna ukuvusa u-anti wami pusha ekuzolunga nja yami yavuka nami ngifuna ukuvusa u-anti wami pusha engithi pusha engithi pusha wena pusha engithi pusha engithi pusha engithi pusha wena pusha
This life is not fair. Personal phinde ngibe lyrical mele ufunda ukuzimela ngoba impilo difficult pinjama utsavula skim sami ipantula mele uqina ube indoda ngoba kulo mhlaba ziyabuya bazohlezi bakujutha bazohlezi bakuza ilife njenge-advert walaliya ngidlula bafiwa bangasifusa nakhona kuyinhlanhla phela lana kusemhlabeni there's nothing for mahala unkulunkulu wami kanti usiza abanye badli soft life abanye abanayibani kanti kwenze njani waye singabi equal futhi siyatshela selana siphila ngamakwali this life has changed neyakudala isafani iba udlala thukuzini nawe uyenza iplani ubuhlungu ukuphila ngendlala wesimonga sipani mangafuna ukusipana yobaba bakabani This life is not fair. Abanye bethu imali bayenza balele banye basihluphekele amdala isithethelele osonke silingane sengishoba notsavula kwamele uzimeleke this life is not fair abanye bethu imali bayenza balele banye basihluphekele amdala isithethelele osonke silingane sengishoba notsavula kwamele uzimeleke stress life problem stress life problem engithi impila yikho fair ziyabuya emhlabeni kwamele uzibhekele engithi stress life problem engithi impila yikho fair ziyabuya emhlabeni kwamele uzibhekele engithi kumele uzibhekele awubayenza balele
awuthingkhanyisa ngesikhanyisa yabo esingakufuna ukukhanya sihlale kumnyameni
yabona impilo ngiyavuma ayinavarwa ovuopsenye kwifesile evungana trach ngengithola into efuna mangaba wizeli ngeplan ngengithola nane-11 sengwithatha upusha inkani nale crown mele uye phanda kwenispan mele uye rhuzukela usebenzise sakhe izandla uye kubhema amarwayi nonke nempintshi zakho nekuthuthwa plakle yakho lizolahlisa amasete sibona istrati into ezini sobuye na-something noma yini kazi yazi isibekeni sasekasishifte ekhoneni yorabish sobazamele endlini sotata uzobakhronishiye nokuncane yayidinoza neplani kazini noma yini sengishini kodwa ungachichikazi ngoba uzo-enterprisini yenza okright scheming shifta nasepoyini uye kufosta ntanga ayikho ifeature dicing
engithi stress life problem ziyabuyela eleveni kwamele uzibekele ngakhomina positive engithi stress life problem
sabulia
kwenza ngicedekele
This life is not fair. Abanye bethu imali bayenza balele banye basihluphekele amdala isithethelele osonke silingane sengishoba notsavula kwamele uzimeleke this life is not fair. Abanye bethu imali bayenza balele banye basihluphekele amdala isithethelele osonke silingane sengishoba notsavula kwamele uzimeleke stress life problem engithi impila yikho fair ziyabuya emhlabeni kwamele uzibhekele engithi stress life problems engithi impila yikho fair ziyabuya emhlabeni engithi kumele uzibhekele this life is not fair
Motzavule. This life is not fair.
Done. Titan. Patu, Jan, this thing. Titan. Let's see. Dooby, Titan. See.
Give props, Ute is the only one. Mina ngizama ngabofo, sekuzoba yimi nawe bafo. I'm in love, now they rap therefore. I understand the people who did it before. Time has changed, mina ngiyenza kaso. And think I'm different for sure. And my kin mangizi beats is going down, angishi for sure. Ngamaflo ngibuye spedela samakeze palfo. Ukisusa nami maybe ningamela. My raps are written down in palufo. Basika ngane HIV, I'm a letter I3. Mina ngiyi 8, I'm a letter I4. Indaba sen vaccinile, benzo khohlela bese sathelelani sifo. Nane this nibe ilgaso. Nireya masiyaya bobu yina ma 16 pass. Astalisane like for 4. Nyaktifendi kasi rap, Vigi Bandai, Jesse number 4. Une rap mtobu gota ngtaviwa yifo. After leli kuzoba ngazi njoli luminati. People who be know me by over 444 times 4. Zinyaze kampo ye feature ngibulale nge freestyle. Lombizila phelela malai. After 1, 2, 3, 4. Nipanja kuti mi bani lo shedding stage 4. And you feeling ati bokura no hal. Hercules Mayweather no Alpiman. We want one by 4. No legible nge rap sector pida nge specialize nge kasi rap. Uze him to get the info. Nyagi podi kasi rap mkona kasi hero. Miyenza fantastic 4. Abine kasi rap. On time best. 1, 2, 3, 5. Bakote minute number 4. At night it's hard to sleep thinking of my lyrics. I'm a buzz, I'm a punchline, I'm a metaphor. Kubi hinja for sure. Ipo witis is not rap. Still bengege balunge bangeza nge formation. Ngayoze mazibugi assistant bupepa diyon. So bateli ndugu modern guy 4. Yaktanya lemtona nese mataisi. Ututu imshaya segen gutruwa. Ungazi kandi melayo magufo. An iPhone I'm way past that I. Iguta machine yo buspo. Imlozo trabitrum kabe visa umama mingishi 4 times 4. Oje my patalang sengi A45. EPM guba hi M4. Don't of the links pale lapo ngishi odi RS4. Nishaye ngesembu sama foreni China inda ulum. Chiyange alien gu number 4. Noma ngabhalelo movie olo musuke. Melava yekseni ngabo 4. Ngabhalelo mdala wanga patali. I call the cops ngilvoba bo 4. Cause ngimropukela keep them coming back. Before ngimtala nge 4 play ngimshanga ma round I 4.
Infinity, zoba yithi, infinity, value strategy, infinity, asilimity, infinity, achithi isikhathi, infinity, kufi beat, infinity, phezu komjaji, infinity, chithi igazi, infinity, sikubeke stars, infinity, favorite, infinity, zoba hit, infinity, ngusonic, infinity, no Titanic, infinity, zoba yithi, infinity, value strategy, infinity, infinity.
Infinity lyricist, lyrical angiphelele. This is Titanic, mongiphaphela ngizokukhahle. Straight from Snake Park, khule ngilalela uTupac. Uba nongamela mina best rapper ikanyelo naha nomangwe. Ungizela ngobuzo, uzoba yidumbi. Ngikushaya lyrical igazi vele physical ikaspa nekwali mangiwani nginenkani. I keep it gangster. Dala ngidla insimbi mana ngeke ngihlule bana ngile ngulube eska. Engazwani namanyala uzogcwala ufuthi ugcina uphuma wena sithutha. Ngiflow I'll make you dizzy, nisazwe feel pressure. Lentwani yenza, eniyathumela mangifika ukukhuzeka wenze show uyalalela. I-rap money segazini span sami songikhulumela izitha zami songipraise mo. Ngibabheke ngenzani Westla.
Zoba yithi, infinity, value strategy, infinity, asilimity, infinity, achithi isikhathi, infinity, kufi beat, infinity, phezu komjaji, infinity, chithi igazi, infinity, sikubeke stars, infinity, favorite, infinity, zoba hit, infinity, ngusonic, infinity, no Titanic, infinity, zoba yithi, infinity, value strategy, infinity, infinity.
Here I go again, ngithatha uwika ujikileka with life. Enhle ngiphila kanje leka wimpilo yami. Enhle ngiyenza kuphela kudala abazenze. La no feel isikhathi is in my blood. Noma ngaya organic, akudala ngihuzuka, enikudala ngifukuza. Ngifuna inyuku ka ufaka ukuthi bathini yami. Isikhathi sokuthe shamela ngenze kwenzeke. Bese bezeke, bese bangidlela umo. Ye wena phuma kimi. I'll be a dark till I die. But if I go on, let me lead on the new school. Kilo middle of the work dudes, mixture of the wrong gets. Walking on my underdogs, a pantula rapper. Minika signal fella, musica suzojelwa. Umrepa nyambora, speed to me. Monkolu bokota mushe shukuku big pants. I'm too so I attire kula pamgwa my dogs. It is as funny mali, titi faki fame. He made me fingy big pants, really she shoes us. Mapuma corner like us, feeling no the last. It's pretty very fast, that's why you won't last. Lumtul, uzo last, lumtul, so push. Yeah, so push.
Infinity, sobriety, infinity, value strategy, infinity, acidity, infinity, criticism, infinity, cooking pity, infinity, descom charge, infinity, criticas, infinity, sick stars, infinity, favorite, infinity, sobriety, infinity, musonic, infinity, titanic, infinity, sobriety, infinity, value strategy, infinity.
Bathumthulo give me choice engiyaphika leyo angisho ngisuke ngithande bathumthulo give me choice engiyaphika leyo sikhona izinto engazenza bathumthulo give me choice engiyaphika leyo sikhona izinto engazijova sikhona izinto engazenza bathumthulo give me choice yeah ndasemzini ingcondo iyetheshayo enyawo nazo sikhathele umsimo udinga ukuphumula umculo ungishiya amanxeba abanye bayangikhuthaza abanye bayangikhumbuza ngilwela igama lami ngenze ifleki ngavumi lwele phansi kumele ihlale semoyeni ukuze ngifike emalini nkonkothe ngibalume ngize ngithole igolide ivindo ngifuna ukukhwisa maka ngafikisa mwe you can take my shoe and wear imagine that fucking thing fika kumaseshini Bega pepeshi, no masado shisapa, dali talento ya tiori ngaba just keeping on us. Masika selebe khavi zobela danikas, BBC nankumbuze wabasha ngokama wena phika lidadanga, isikhathi sinasaspan, malimbono ukamtshela, mina kuye kasuspan. Fana machimos bafuna ukusenza bodimveli basekethini siphila nawo nikenza nginhlisa ngingani ntango phela ubuthi ithi ntamba mfana isibani abanyala zivudiwe engabhaleli into imnandi ebola ithini timing leni JVC sangadlala ngisandi cale lona ngisandi ndinavuma machimos ngizaqala mfana
Sure. Section, of course, umthole loction. Emakhoneni no the last bebathumbashi. Bebangakeni ukuthi ngilinde studio session. Beka manje flow sengithela ngathi ngisebhanjini. Namabhaz maningi ngathi ngiphile ebhanjini. Sazoba president engapheli njengabo ganches. Namanje anga-admit ukuthi ngiyashisa fanduka ngiloku ngivutha back in the trenches. Askis money beef mina ngifuna cheese. Nakuloyo ngangiringisi intanga ngisikhi peace. I never meant to kill unless I'm on the MIC. Sonke sinamaphutha nawe intanga ngicela usibhekisise. Ngifisa sonke siphile soft each and every season. Nomikasi silfatela kumele siphile sichizini. All the trauma let it go ngiyaza kukho easy. Ngcono ucela usizo kunokuthi uzwele usizi. Whoever thought ngisangabloma neze TLT. It's amazing how I feel like I'm part of the team. Sazoshuba mase ngigcwalisela ting. Bros got me feeling njenge-weight abanginika ama-tip. Skizas, I hope asikhosani like Judas. Mawungachecka siphuma fair ngalento besihulaza. Sanokugcwala intokozo mangibona untwana ngikhuthaza. And sayibamba le mpahla soyichafa okwetulasi. Phila ngisemehlweni, I hope angeke ngilose focus. Still tryna get them hooked, ngibusy ngama-chorus. There's many offers in the hood, living very bogus. That's why I try to keep my circle smaller than the donuts. Angifune GT cars already live in Zimekas. Angifise kufinya igazi mawulahlisa ithulala phansi. Ku-easy ukudla idust mawilezi ezimuva snacks. Nami ngize ngaphula i-trust to tell the truth that shit sucks. Angifune GT cars already live in Zimekas. Angifise kufinya igazi mawulahlisa ithulala phansi. Ku-easy ukudla idust mawilezi ezimuva snacks. Nami ngize ngaphula i-trust to tell the truth that shit sucks. It's been a long time loku ngibizi ngiphusha iphupho lami. Mangashayina nami ngiphume ekasi ngaze ngiphuphela. It's funny cause ebusuku mina ngilali ngale phupho lami ngibheka ukuphila grand never mind ukuba popular. It's been a long time loku ngibizi ngiphusha iphupho lami. Mangashayina nami ngiphume ekasi ngaze ngiphuphela. It's funny cause ebusuku mina ngilali ngale phupho lami ngibheka ukuphila grand never mind ukuba popular. It's been a long time loku ngibizi ngiphusha iphupho lami. Mangashayina nami ngiphume ekasi ngaze ngiphuphela. It's funny cause ebusuku mina ngilali ngale phupho lami ngibheka ukuphila grand never mind ukuba popular.
ngono shone ngale sekhuphukile ithemba mase senza kanje nenhlubeko sengathi izophela ngeke sifele endlaleni namhlanje sinemali yokuthenga ngaphazawe esikaleni male party sengathi izophela ngono shone ngale dala ngikhuzuka ngifukuza ezinye zakhuthuza kodwa ukhuza ungamnyuza mawufuna iwini uye kukluza umqondo ngiyahluza mangisuka kushiya emqondweni ujimile usibhekile usiphathe kahle ntwana kini bakubhekile seswinile sesingenile endlaleni siphumile ihlupheka iphelile hip-hop usephephile ngoba khona abayibhodayo bese bathi irap ifile basibhayizisa bangaboni ngoba manje irentimile bese ngikhala but then again ngakhumbula sengagain egamini ngisazongena nge-force something like that ngisangayimela le pain of course isifina pay sifuna imali yokudla so we struggle sa everyday I'm lifting my hopes high khuphukile ithemba manje izinja ziyapopa sola into yokuthenga lethi izinto ngizobopha mani ngipase bomatheni ngiphile emjojo ngithi mangena endlini ntazi mama tag sekhuphukile ithemba mase senza kanje nenhlubeko sengathi izophela ngeke sifele endlaleni namhlanje sinemali yokuthenga ngaphazawe esikaleni male party sengathi izophela ngono shone ngale i-celebration ezinja zegame ukukhathala ukuhamba ne-fame for real company yami ayifake noma sidakiwe soli free pass asinama-fail bafollow i-style sami anginama-fan besirelaxile shayi indoors emagcekeni imama lingenza ngifile njengebhoza emeceleni we do this cause we want to asincengeki asihambise okwenyanga ephethe intelezi asicheleni sesikhaleni kodwa singeni somaphandle kune-fence kodwa masivele ekhoneni ihlala i-grand entrance sekhona abahlangela ukruza man bashayele esigubhu sikataxi ngingarephele lapho sengize ngakhohlwa bengihlupheka ngenza umhlolo gqwala ibhodo ngale pen lethi step isithopha khuphula ithemba ngoba idili iyaflopa ngifuna ithenda sekhuphukile ithemba mase senza kanje nenhlubeko sengathi izophela ngeke sifele endlaleni namhlanje sinemali yokuthenga ngaphazawe esikaleni male party sengathi izophela ngono shone ngale abekho ready mase senza kanje sizophela ngeke sifele endlaleni imali yokuthenga esikaleni siyawa sizophela ngono shone ngale
Me and my nigga section rap betrays masturbation. The way the crowd always goes up and down. And even if royalty didn't exist, I would still be wearing the hip-hop crown. And as for whack rappers, even if water didn't exist, but lyrically would still make you drown. And fuck the seconds, cause we don't roll with no clowns. And she don't gotta be British for me to give that ass a pound. And even if gravity didn't exist, but for my niggas I'd still be down with niggas from Pimtown. And as for bitch niggas, we always live them with a frown. Like taking your bitch until you see her the next morning with my gown. This the PDBs, even deaf people love our sound. And in this fucked up world of 2Ks, we're still bringing in the 90s vibes. Mr. Kumal, I'm proudly representing for the Zulu tribe. I'm like crops about to be harvested, cause I'm lyrically ripe with rhymes more addictive than a crack pipe. And fuck trapping, I'd rather eat uncooked tribe. I got unbelievable rapping skills like a traffic cop who don't take bribe. And even if magazines didn't exist, but I still have the most hype. And I don't need no weed to connect with the most high. And if you underestimate me, I'll be more than glad to make you with the humble pie. The game is there, but we about to revive it by coloring it with a different dye. And if you wanna fuck with us, we'll make your shit like drinking Hunter's Dry. And fuck these bitches and they nods, cause my shoelaces is the only thing I will ever tie. I mean, I'm a different guy, like going to your local tavern wearing suit and tie. Trash gang nigga like a pivot stick after a thick bitch passes, yeah, we on the rise. And like employment to the ghetto youth, yeah, we on demand. And I don't care if you broke, but if you mess with any of my niggas, you gon' pay the price. And whether married or not, but I might eat the pussy up like tastic rice. And if the shit nice, like my nigga Obi, I might as well do it dry. So, yeah.
I
slit throats when I spit notes. Slick flow, Mogola nasespani with these sick notes. Schizo, ngekulunge when I rap like this though. My lyrics sounding godling, palanga mandla gatiko wangisho. Been around the block, aksimfihlo. We knocking niggas out with one punch like Yashiro. Imagine, singpapela intwana ngena zinto. Gangster image from a classic TV show, aksiyizo. Yizo, angolisi for sorry, not sorry. And I just happen to be nice, let me pen Albori. For sure it's Spanish, young ringen. Igo mina ngashovi, I run Josie. But in brackets, you can say that I'm godling in German, I'm stop. For all they think he BT Albori. Ne petal rap is uncolot, I need to catch me a boat. Fedang in top because most of you is repelu doti. If we resort to different things, it's saying I don't take it boat. I'm from the hood, hook rappers at the top of my page. I'm feeling flamed, all the weed, a motherfucker then plays the heavy brain. Listen, shisa, even if you throw shade, I'm still insane. It requires less than a day. Extend the hate for impact, and my lyrics are late. My crazy fame, Mara still a guko she chocolate game. It's been the same, 69, even a pussy the face. But who's to blame, cause now my fans, I'm rapper these days. Mara fedang my ZC and futang in a stress. As long as bangang pazamisi, mankulise la mi flag, I'm from the east. Even though we come alam in cooler westing, rap is set or we're outcast. I'll never change for stacks, fed F tech. Cause I'm outside, futang is our next, cow it's death. Every time we finna talk about the scrap, since 11 in Bulal. I don't really care who dies, kicking ciphers, go my traffic lights on very shook nights. Understand by the lam, I dedicated my life. There were times when a sparring session turned into a fight, taking trains to record. I was really that guy, even though the song was whack. That night I could have died, I dedicate my life in all these fucking lies, cause I'm a trial in tribulation, dog, I've been through mine. I'm making music, go battle rap, I'm doing niggas strive. When I die, please tell them what I dedicate my life to.
Dedication then is related to this idea of significance at work, or the meaning that you have. And for me, from what I've learned doing the podcast as long as I have, meaning is so important for the work that people do. You have to feel that sense of meaning that you're having, that what you do actually matters, that you're making a difference to someone. So that sense of significance or meaning, but also dedication is associated with challenge.